Hey everyone, I have another journal with me video today. I am still working on my class, so in the meantime, these are the kind of videos that I can easily bring to you because the process is quite short and it's something that I do anyway, even when I'm working on other things, because I'm in love with my Hobonichi planner and I'm also really enjoying this process. If you follow my channel for a while, you know that I used to do videos called like memory planning with me or something, where I did something very similar, like a weekly spread in a Heidi Swap planner. And I really liked it. It's such a great way of documenting daily life. And I also like the fact that you can get so much into just one, planner. If someone like me that also does 12 by 12 scrapbooking, I can definitely appreciate that. I love the size of a 12 by 12 page and the square shape, but I can't afford, or I don't want to buy albums. I live in Europe and they are very expensive here, not to mention shipping costs. So I just store my layouts in like an IKEA container, and I don't think that's ideal. The point for me when I'm doing these like memory keeping crafts is to also have something that I can look through easily and that my kids can look through easily, and my future grandchildren and all that, whatever. But and the 12 by 12 albums are just so huge and cumbersome, and there's not a lot that fits into one. So I really find this very appealing. Now, all kinds of issues that I am considering. In my previous video, I was actually using an empty page because this planner arrived to me at the end of April and it starts in April. So I had a few weeks where I didn't use it as a planner. But this week you can see we're already at the end of May in this spread, and I already used this weekly spread for planning. Now you can see everything that's written, that's my planning. I don't do anything fancy. I just write stuff down. And for the most part, I write down the really important stuff that I'm afraid I will forget. I don't write other things like a lot of people, track stuff. I don't do that because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered. So you can see that my planning is very basic, and I thought it would be fun to kind of multi-purpose this. And once the week is done, I go over it with watercolors, I let it dry, and then I add some, photos, stickers, and a little bit of journaling. I do more journaling in the daily section of my Hobonichi, so I feel like I can get away with just writing the what, who, when, all those details on these pages. So it's kind of, I really like this whole system, but I'm not sure, aesthetically, it's not very pleasing to have all those planner lists. So what I'm thinking is that probably next year, at the end of this year, even though this is the spring edition, so it goes till April, I think I will just get Hobonichi weeks and use that just for planning, and then use this one just for memory keeping and journaling. That's what I'm thinking right now. But for now, I think I can manage to work with this. Usually my planning, the things that I write down are usually just for the morning hours, because in the afternoon I'm just with my kids. So I'm thinking I can probably cover those few hours that I have things written down with my photos, and then I will have kind of more empty areas to add journaling. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure. And I'm still exploring. What I do know without a doubt is that I enjoy everything that has to do with my Hobonichi. And I can only feel sorry for those lost years before I had it. Okay, so just let me tell you a little bit about what I'm using here. So the photos are printed on my HP Sprocket printer. I love that thing. It's really, really cute. And I have a couple of videos on my channel. Maybe I should do a more kind of recent one. And yeah, it's the quality of the photos is not, as good as like a photo printer or the Canon Selfie or something like that. If I could find a little printer like the Sprocket that printed really good quality photos, I would buy that. So if you're familiar with anything, I know there's improvements all the time and next generation and all that stuff. If you've seen some, because when I bought mine, probably, I don't know, a year ago, maybe over a year ago, a couple of years ago, I looked at reviews and I didn't see anything that was significantly better. So, but that would be something I will definitely consider upgrading to. I love that there's no ink. I love that the refills are also very compact, unlike the Instax cartridges, which are very bulky. And I also love that this is sticker paper because it just works fantastically in these types of formats for memory keeping. That's what I feel. So I'm really, really loving it for these purposes. Now, that black and white photo there of Lily is actually made with a little thermal printer called the PeriPage. And if you want to hear more about that, then let me know. It's a cute little gadget that I recently bought. I'll try to upload like a first impression thing. It's definitely, an unnecessary thing to have, but it's just very cute. The stickers, all the cake stuff and tea stuff is from Stickii Club, I think they're called, and I'll put a link here to the unboxing of the kits. They're fantastic. They're very affordable, and I have already seen the sneaks for the June kits, and I'm not going to order the retro one. This, what you see here, what I used from the stickers at the beginning, not these flower ones and strawberries, are from the retro kit. But next month, I'm not really in love with the theme, so I'm going to get the cute kit, which looks fantastic. I think they're going to have like a night dream kind of theme. Every month has a theme. And you can see on the left side of the screen at the bottom, it says afternoon tea, I think, on that little sticker. So that's the theme of this retro kit. That's the May kit. Anyway, it's super, super cute, very affordable with international shipping. It's $12.50 a month, Stickii Club. I do have a referral link below. Once a few people use my link to sign up, I get a free kit, but I don't get like paid. Well, I get paid in stickers, which is really nice commodity. So you can either use my link or just Google it, but I'm really, really happy with these. Anyway, the other stickers were sent to me by a beautiful, beautiful friend, hi Megan, from Japan. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, like, do all those things. It really, really helps me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.